this is Jolly here. I have launched a program called Aaj Ka English. Under this banner, I'm launching a brand called English Bolo, meaning learn English. English for kids, English for adults, English for all ages. And I wanted this channel to be accessible by everyone. So I'll price it at less than $10 per annum. Yeah, $10 per annum as a course fee, for which amount a school-going kid anywhere in this world can learn how to express herself in English. English Bolo translated from Hindi would mean speak English, and that's exactly what I am going to talk about. I'm going to talk about basic requirement of English in all the major languages of the world. So whether it's an African language, a Latin American language, whatever be your mother tongue, I'm going to enable you to speak English as if you can do it from the time you are born. So I'm going to make you proficient in English speaking, understanding, communicating, talking, and all for less than $10 an annum, $10 per year. Believe me, and in 1 year you should be able to do it. Please look at one of my sample videos which I have uploaded on this channel. This is explained in Hindi, meaning how Hindi speaking people can learn English, and this is phase 1, designed for teaching English to Hindi speaking guys. In the first quarter, there will be similar videos for the next 3 quarters. So starting from April, if a person starts learning, he should be able to learn the way to speak and communicate in a good manner by the end of 1 year. Of course, we will have other programs for advanced learners also, but to begin with, I am planning to launch a program under English Bolo, which will be available in all Indian languages, in the Afrikaner language, in all languages of the world. I'm looking a crowdfunding support to help me build this bridge for people who need to survive and do better in life by learning English and using it to build their skills in a better manner, to build them, enable them get more livelihood, enable them to get better jobs, enable to get them better positions in life, is this venture. I'm looking forward to support from people who are interested in promoting my program, in helping me in setting up both the equipment and the back office for the process that we are setting up. Let me explain to you how the process is going to be easy. Somebody who wants to learn English needs to pay me a monthly fee, $10 broken by 12. So that would be about less than $1 a month. That's the amount that I'm going to charge. And then he can download the conversations like what I have done in Hindi, learn from it, upload his conversations to a mailbox where listeners of his language will listen to him, correct it for him, and send him the audio files back, which he can then learn all over again, practice it, and in 3 months the first basic module will be over for him. I need money to invest for building more modules and more languages in this ambit, and I look forward to your support to help me build this journey of English for everyone universally. Thank you so much for listening to me. Donate generously and help me take this mission forward. Thank you so much. Have a great day. donate generously for English Bolo campaign.